Hi everyone, happy weekend. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy XLM and XDC on Bybit crypto exchange. So guys, if you want to buy XLM or XDC, on Bybit exchange, the first thing you will do is this. You will register on Bybit. So guys, you can use my link in the description to register. After your registration, you will buy USDT. So guys, this is what XLM is all about. XLM is a blockchain designed to facilitate fast, secure, and low cost cross-border payments. Yeah. XDC network is a groundbreaking blockchain with impressive speed, scalability, low fees, and military grade security. So, guys, if you want to buy XLM, this is how you will buy XLM. On Bybit Exchange, you will go to funding account. When you go to your funding, you will see convert. Click on convert. Make sure you have USDT. So guys, in this video I'm going to convert USDT to XDC. So guys, this is how you go about it. You will click on max. So guys, 1.2647 USDT will buy 12.44 XDC. You will click on quote. Then you click on confirm. Then you can check your funding for XDC. So guys, you can buy XDC. I believe in the next bull run XDC will take off. So guys, you can use peer money to buy XDC. So guys, this is how to buy XLM. If you are a big fan of XLM, XLM will do well in the next bull run. So guys, you will do the same thing. You click on max. 1.2647 USDT will buy 2.877 XLM tokens. You click on quote. Then you click on confirm. So guys, don't forget this. I've showed you how to buy XLM and XDC. So guys, if you're a big fan of XRP, oh my god, XRP will blast off in the next bull run. Guys, you can use peer money to buy XRP, XDC, and XLM. Use peer money. So guys, if you want to buy XRP, you do the same thing. You click on quote. And you click on confirm. You click on confirm. So guys, you can also buy XDC, XRP, XLM. That is, you go to the spot market, you search for XRP. So guys, you can see XRP is already 6.71%. So guys, don't forget, buy XRP if you can. So guys, if you go to the spot market, you can buy XRP, XDC, XLM. If you have USDT, this is just an example. You type the amount of USDT you want to use to buy XRP. You can do the same thing for XLM. XLM is, oh my god, these coins are showing positive sign. So guys, you can do the same thing. You type the amount of USDT you want to use to buy XLM. Same thing. You can do the same thing for XDC. So guys, don't forget, these coins will blast off in the next bull run. So guys, this is how to buy XRP, XDC, and XRP. If you like this video, share subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.